Hi, this is Miss Todoric, and this is how you get your free gift. So you're going to join the free mailing list. I'm going to start leaving this link in the description on every video. So these are for members. You're just going to fill this form out and then hit submit. It's that easy. And then over here, you're going to select the color Supreme Lanyard, purple, yellow, green. I'm going to put a picture right next to it. That's what I'm going to do so you can see what the lanyards look like. So right now we're going to do lanyards, and then when I run out, why is this so slow? Okay, here. All right, you're going to go to the home page. You'll see the business socks. So there's like Kool-Aid, Twizzlers, Cup of Noodles, Fruit Loops. I like the Twinkies. I like all of them, actually. They're really nice. Except this one. I don't know. The style is not that great, Old Bay. But I think I would wear just about every one of them. I'd probably wear that too. Yeah, I think they're all nice. All right. So thanks for watching. And like I said, you go to the homepage. It's even like misstodoric.com. You can, thecoolclassroom.com. I have a couple of addresses. And then once you're on the homepage, 1, 2, 3, 4, the fifth tab over, you'll see free mailing list. So click on that. And then here, you're just going to submit the form and then click on that submit button. All right. And then give it some time. I don't know, a couple days. And then with shipping, you should get it soon. All right. Thanks for watching.